how to change the organization of folders on GoodNotes. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the end. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So open GoodNotes, and now we want to change the organization of the folders. So how they look, or I don't know how it's called, but yeah. So what you need to do, guys, is to tap on this. So now the folders are organized in a different way, which I like more. I like more this way. So you can tap on here. This is the button. This is where you need to press. This is where you need to tab. So that's what you need to do. You have names type here. So I'll use this mode, and here, yeah, you can select the name by name, organized by name, type, or data. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you guys in the next video. Take care.